Hello! In this video I will set up the PIXMA G-Series printer. The steps in this video can be used with any of the similar PIXMA G-Series models. And by touching the right up corner of the screen, you may find more videos about this series. Follow the next steps to correctly install the printer head and inks in the printer. So, the printer head and inks have been installed. If your model is multifunctional, then just follow the video. If your model is a printer only, then you need to press the following. Now you need to wait about 5 minutes for initialization of the ink system. Do not interrupt the printer, and in the upper right corner of the screen you may find the next video, which will guide you through the software installation. My setup is complete, and for the test I will make a copy on my multifunctional. Because this is a copy of the printed document, the copy result is really good in color matching, text sharpness and overall details. And that would be all in this video. You can find more about your PIXMA by getting into the Get the Most Out of Your Printer, or you can check my YouTube page and feel free to subscribe, turn on the bell so you won't miss my future uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!